皆さんこんにちは、かずえです。Everyday Kanji, Kanji on the street. Today's Kanji is this. Means preparation. On reading is be. Kun reading is 備える. The stroke order of this kanji is this. Yesterday you've learned Jun, associate, and combining today's kanji, 準備 means preparation, and 準備する means to prepare. So now you know 準備中 means yes, preparing now, comparing 営業中 or 販売中. And you'll see this kanji on the street like this. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed. じゃあまた明日。バイバイ。